So first, I opened Dex Screener and started scrolling to find any newly launched coins. After that, I went into the new pairs section to see if there was anything interesting, but honestly, nothing really stood out. Then I moved to the search option and started checking which coins were recently launched. That's when one coin caught my attention, Kamala Harris. I clicked on it and started analyzing the chart. I zoomed in horizontally to get a clearer view and then briefly checked a few other coins as well, but again, nothing looked promising, so I came back to the first coin I saw. I went through the info section and everything seemed pretty normal at first glance. Meanwhile, the coin was already pumping. It went from around 18k market cap to 21k, then pulled back slightly. But right after that, it started pumping again and managed to break past 21k. This is the kind of early movement you want to watch closely because it can either turn into a big opportunity or a quick trap.